Hey guys, Chili here, coming back at you with another coding challenge, Coding Challenge 4. And this one is special because it's the first coding challenge in the new season. It's got a whole different ball game, but that's a different video. You can check out the guide video for more information about that. Anyways, so let's talk about the coding challenge. So it's going to be a very simple one. I'm going to give you an array of integers, and what I want you to do is I want you to find the maximum difference between any two integers in the array. But there are a couple of conditions. So the way it works is we'll pick any two numbers here. We'll pick this 12 and this 8. So the one condition is that the number that comes after has to be larger. So this one, it's not considered because the number that comes after is less than. On the other hand, we could consider 4 and 9. So the number that comes after is larger. So the difference between them, 9 minus 4, is 5. And that is actually the maximum difference here. You cannot find a larger difference that satisfies the condition. If you say, well, what about 4 and 12? No good, because 4 comes after 12. You want the larger one to come later. So, 5. What about this situation here? They're all 1s. So you pick any two numbers, the one that comes after is not going to be larger than the one that comes before because they're all the same. So if you cannot find any number that satisfies the condition, you have to return -1. And that is the challenge. I'm going to give you a bunch of numbers. I want you to calculate the maximum difference that satisfies those conditions. Now, I just give you a quick explanation here, but the formal definition of the problem and all the nitty-gritties are going to be on the info page. Link is in the description. So go to that link. There's where the info is, and it has and it has links to a whole bunch of different things, including the guide for the challenges that gives you an idea of how to go through and complete a challenge. So go to the link in the description, go to that page, follow those links. All the info is in there. And when the challenge is done and all the dust has settled, I will be back with an announcement video to give you guys the results and to explain a solution to the problem. See you then.